WordPress SEO plugin can boost the SEO efforts, plus increase your website security, page load speed, and overall performance. But how do you tell the difference between plugins that deliver on their claims and those which you should avoid? Choosing the right SEO plugin can make all the difference to the optimization of your website, while bad plugins can negatively impact the search engine effectiveness and performance of your website. Hi everyone, I'm Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I'm going to share some of the best and must WordPress plugins that can help you to improve the SEO of your website. SEO, then you will get over 1000 plugins related to SEO. Just imagine how many plugins are over there. But every plugin is not worth using. Every plugin has different effects. Some of them are used for optimizing the website, and some of them are used for monitoring traffic, links, and many more activities. Some plugins are used for WordPress security purposes and speed optimization as well. So here are the 13 must-have WordPress plugin list which you should use. Plugin number 1 is Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is one of the most powerful WordPress plugins with over 5 million activations. Some of the features of the Yoast SEO plugins are: you can create XML sitemap, verify your website on the webmaster tools, optimize title and meta description, optimize your content by the targeted keywords. Installing Yoast SEO is a good starting point for most WordPress site owners. Next is All-in-One SEO Pack plugin has many features, the same as Yoast SEO, but it also has some extra features and is easy to customize. You can use it to edit robot.txt file with an easy user interface, edit htaccess without FTP. You can block bad bots and spamming traffic, add site link schema markup, auto-generate meta description, and these are a couple of things which you can very easily do with this plugin. The next one is Rank Math. I think Rank Math is the best SEO plugin for WordPress users. It is so user-friendly and easy to manage. You will get so many extra features for free, while the same features are paid for Yoast users. Some additional features are Google Search Console integration, all type of redirections, 14 type of rich snippet markups, card previews for Facebook and Twitter. If you are using Yoast or All-in-One SEO, then you can move to Rank Math just by importing existing settings by Rank Math wizard. Next is WP Super Cache. What WP Super Cache does, actually it creates static HTML version of all the dynamic posts for your website. Then it serves those pages to visitors instead of providing the dynamic one. That's why web pages are served faster. Most of the time handling the basic caching function is enough. Auto optimize. This one minifies, compresses and caches CSS, JavaScript, HTML, etc. It helps to speed up your website. It also functionalized with the short pixel to optimize and convert images into WP format. Really simple SSL. Do you know HTTPS is a ranking factor? Let's Encrypt offers SSL certificates for free. You need to permanently redirect the HTTP version of your site to the HTTPS version. This plugin makes it very easy to just install and encrypt your website. The next is the SEO Framework. This is one of the best alternatives to Yoast and All-in-One SEO Pack. Basically, this plugin has no extra features, but you can use it because it is so lightweight. Another good plugin recommendation is Easy Table of Content. Google recommends table of content for a better user experience and easy understanding of the content. Simply download this plugin. It will take your headings and make a table of content. It also helps you to get the site links schema on the SERP. The broken link checker for finding broken links on your website, internal as well as external. If it finds any, it will show you the HTTP status like 404, 410, anchor text, the path of the link. That makes it easy to find and fix those 404 pages. It also informs you about 301 redirects, and there is also a system to fix those in bulk by replacing the redirect link with the destination URL. Next plugin is Short Pixel is for compressing and optimizing your website's images, because sometimes images can be the slowest files of your site to load when someone visits your website. Image optimization can bring a positive effect on page load speed, which is one of the major ranking factors. For optimizing the existing images, there is a bulk image optimizer. It will optimize all images already on the website. You can also use A3 Lazy Load. This is a lightweight plugin for enabling the lazy loading of images for your WordPress website. When you enable this, then images outside the viewport visible area on the screen will not be loaded until they become visible by scrolling. This improves page speed, which is a ranking factor. hreflang is an HTML attribute that is used to identify the language targeting of a web page. If you have multiple versions of the same page in different languages, then you have to use this hreflang to tell search engines about those variations. This is super easy to use. Install it, then use the drop down menu to add translated URLs to your multiple versions pages. Redirection is an easy plugin for executing 3-1 redirects. Using it is super easy. Enter the source URL and target URL, then click on the Add Redirect button. Simple. For more advanced users, there are so many options to use. Regex matching for redirects, avoid the trailing slashes and ignore URL parameters. It's 100% free. Actually, there are tons of SEO plugins over there, but those I mentioned are the must-have plugins. I hope you enjoyed the video.